everybody, my name is Devin Armstrong. What I have here is the CZP-09 Airsoft pistol. It's got a polymer frame, metal slide. This is a CO2 Airsoft gun. It has ambidextrous safety features. Also, the tip of this barrel does have a thread on it, which is very easy to take this off. Well, if you turn it the right way. Okay, so you can attach silencers, tracer units on there. So yeah, has a metal magazine that holds 24 rounds. Sadly, the spring does not have somewhere to lock into, so you have to hold it down the entire time that you're loading the mag. But all in all, that's probably the only thing about it that isn't so great. Everything else I think is pretty good. So, gonna take the safety off, slides down. Something about this gun that's really great is the hammer does actually operate. So every single time you shoot, this will go back. I do believe you can actually pull it back just for fun, but alrighty. So
What is the FPS on it?
the FPS is, well, the box says it's about 375. Where I bought this, they said it shoots more around 350. Again, this is CO2, so it kind of depends on what weather you're in. Usually the colder it is, the better it shoots. That's what I've been told. So, we're going to fire this. And I'm empty. So, as you can probably tell, the fire rate is really great. As fast as you can pull a trigger, as fast as it's going to shoot. So yeah. So he's going to shoot it next.
Don't catch me on that field. You'll be gone.
So real quick, guys, the Texas man is the one here holding the camera. This has been the Michigan man. This is his gun, so I'm letting him be the primary person that's dealing with it. Then over here we've got the Detroit man. He'll be shooting this pistol off next, and then I'll be shooting it off. Make sure you guys, like or give this video a dislike if you don't like it. Leave a comment in the comment section below of what you thought of this gun review, and what you guys think of Airsoft. You guys like Airsoft? Do you not like it? And make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for any upcoming videos. Thank you. And back to the video.
A little hot out here today.
You want to go for it?
Yes, I do.
Thing looks like it's a pain in the butt to have to load. Oh, it is. It is. You need another magazine.
Yeah, I just bought that gun today. So,
as you can tell, you won't want to catch me on the court. Because I love my trigger finger. Safety off, shooting. And out.
ooh.
You love my trigger finger, don't you? You just don't want to get hit by my trigger finger. So if you get hit by me on the field, you better raise that hand or I'm going to keep firing. There is no locking.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Sounds like we should get you a bolt-action sniper rifle.
I already have one of those.
Yeah, I know. It's not that accurate.
Actually, it's actually pretty accurate if you know how to shoot it.
Okay.
Just hold down, push in. Hold down, push in. And it lines up side to side. Have fun.
Safety.
Oh, it's already in safety. Pull the slide back. When it wants to work. I'm clearly not ambidextrous at the moment. If you really want to play with them over there.
What's going on? Is it jammed or something? What's going on?
You still over there?
Yeah. Full slide.
Try to crack it?
No.
No. When you let the slide go,
Automatically.
it's already loaded. Safety off?
He's still over there, Doug. Oh, you
Here, let
only
me
had
see.
2 in there, and you just double loaded it.
Oh, okay.
Can you see?
I'm good. Safety's on.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys all have a great day.